Do you ever feel like you're watching your life instead of living it? You're not alone in that. So many people, far more than you'd ever guess, feel exactly the same way as you. The successful ones, the kind ones, the ones everybody assumes are completely fine. They move through their days doing everything right, and somewhere behind their own eyes, there's this subtle sense that they're not really there for any of it. If that's you, I want you to do one thing for me. Wherever you are right now, pretend it's just the two of us. Because even though a lot of people are going to hear this, right now I'm only talking to one person. I'm talking to you. And the first thing I want you to hear is this. The fact that you can even feel the glass between you and your own life is the best news in this whole thing. A truly numb person doesn't notice they're numb. If you can feel that pane of glass, it means you're pressed right up against it, aching to get through. That ache is not proof that something in you is broken. It's proof that the part of you that wants to live is still completely alive, still knocking on the window. You think this feeling is your problem. I think it's your way back. So let's get curious about it together instead of judging it, because judgment is the thing that keeps it stuck. Let me tell you what I think is actually going on with you. You're not watching your life because you stopped caring about it. You're watching it because somewhere in your life, your nervous system decided that being all the way in, it wasn't safe. The watching is actually a strategy. And honestly, it's a brilliant one. Look at what that observer seat gives you. One step back, narrating, you can never really be caught off guard. You can manage how you're landing on people. You can already be halfway into the next thing before this one has a chance to disappoint you. You get to stay in control. And real presence, the thing you're missing, asks the exact opposite of you. It asks you to not be in control, to let a moment land on you and feel whatever it makes you feel. And I'm guessing for you, at some point, feeling became the dangerous thing. So you left, not in some dramatic way. You just slowly stepped up out of your body and into your head where it's cooler and safer and you can see everything coming. You've lived up there so long that it stopped feeling like a place you go. It feels like who you are. It isn't. It's just where you went to be safe. Here's the part I want you to slow down and take a deep breath. And notice what happens in your body while I say it. Somewhere early, you learned that it wasn't safe to just be yourself. Maybe the feelings in your house were too big. Maybe they weren't welcome. Maybe nobody there had the room to hold yours. So you got useful instead of present. You became the one who read the mood, kept the peace, achieved the thing. And it worked. You got safety or approval or perhaps just a little bit of calm by leaving your own experience to go take care of everyone else's. That's where the watching was born. A kid who has to keep one eye on the room can't also be in the room. So you learned to live at a slight distance. Scanning, performing, always half a step outside the moment so you could stay ahead of it. And then you did what all of us do. You took the strategy that saved you when you were small and you built your whole adult life on top of it. And your ambition. That's not separate from any of this. That's the same thing, just in a nicer suit. The restless planning, the next goal, the subconscious promise that one day you'll finally arrive, and then you'll get to rest. That is the watching. It's a mind that refuses to land because landing means feeling, and feeling just wasn't safe, was it? You have been running from a single moment you were afraid of since before you can even remember. And you're tired. Of course you're tired. Now most people brace right here, waiting for me to tell them they're damaged. I'm telling you the opposite. What you did was intelligent. It was a young person being genuinely wise with what they were handed. There's nothing in you to fix because nothing in you is broken. There's just a strategy that used to protect you and is now subtly costing you your joy in life. And a nervous system that is finally ready to learn it's allowed to do something different. The problem is just that you can't think your way back into your life. You've probably already tried that. You've read the books. You've told yourself to be present. You've white-knuckled a few dinners trying really hard to just let go into the experience. And it doesn't work, and it leaves you feeling worse because now you're watching yourself try to be present, which is just one more thing to monitor from up in the tower. The way home isn't more control. It's the one thing you left to get away from. It's feeling. Let me give you the real tricks here. Not theory, the ones that have been proven to work on people like you struggling with this. 1. Stop trying to be present and get curious about what you're not letting yourself feel. The next time that glass comes down, don't fight it. Get interested instead. Ask yourself, what am I avoiding feeling right now? Underneath, you'll usually find something. Anxiety, grief, a want you won't admit to, a fear that if you slow down, it'll all fall apart. The watching is a lid. Curiosity is what starts lifting it. 2. Come back through your body, not your mind. Presence doesn't live in your thoughts, it lives in your senses. When you catch yourself narrating, drop your attention out of your head and into your sensations. The weight of your feet on the floor, the air on your skin, the actual sound of the voice in front of you. You're not reaching for something deep. You're just proving to your nervous system for a moment that it's safe to be here. 3. Welcome the discomfort instead of managing it. When a feeling rises up and everything in you wants to grab your phone or plan or do or leave, try staying. Just one breath longer than is comfortable. You're teaching your body a new truth, that a feeling can move all the way through you and you'll survive it. Every time you stay, that glass gets a little thinner. That's the whole practice, honestly. 1,000 tiny refusals to abandon yourself. 4. Let yourself want things and let yourself enjoy them. You've been so busy achieving that you've half forgotten how to desire and how to savor. And both of those need you to be in the moment, exposed, a little unarmored. So start absurdly small, actually taste the coffee. Let a song get all the way to you. Say the true thing out loud. Aliveness is a muscle, and yours has just been in a cast. 5, and this is the big one. Let someone see you while you're feeling it. The reason you left in the first place is that back then, nobody was there to be with you in your experience. Or you may even have been shamed for your feelings, even joyous ones. So the deepest repair is to let someone in now. To be with another person, unmanaged, a little messy, actually feeling something, and find out that you don't get left for it. You are more lovable in that state than in any performance you have ever given in your life. You've just never let anyone find out, not even yourself. I want you to notice what happened while you were listening. If something in you softened, or your eyes stung a little, or your breath just dropped lower in your chest, that wasn't information landing. That was you. The real you, the one who lives in your body, coming up to the window for a second to see if it's finally safe to come out. It is. You are not watching your life because something is wrong with you. You're watching it because, a long time ago, being all the way inside it hurt too much, and you were smart enough then to step back. But that was then. You are not that small, unprotected person anymore. You get to come down out of the tower now, one felt moment at a time, and move back into the actual house. So start with the next moment, not the next big one, the next ordinary one. Because that quiet, unremarkable, right in front of you moment is where your entire life has been waiting for you. And one more thing, before you go. A lot of people are going to hear this. Every single one of them will feel like they're the only one who lives this way. You probably do too. But this whole time, I've only been talking to one person. I've been talking to you.